is, well, it's the video for the 3rd of Jan, Friday. I just got home, being out with family, that was nice. But yeah, we're just going to do a quick market review. Starting with the first screenshot of daily bias is bearish, meaning that Friday's bias will be bullish. No, something I've been testing, but go test it yourself. Looking like New York reversal bottom, Dow Jones will never take London low. Technically London retraction, London low was made in 1 hour FVG, meaning IRL to ERL. Targeting new high post 10 AM and targeting ERL, liquidity pools. And then I begin to show the first presented fair value gap. So if we actually got a clean chart here, then we can come back to that chart, refer later. Got a clean chart. Question is, why was it? Okay, that's from data that I was testing. Well, all week my theory played out. Bearish, Friday biased, opposing. So yeah, that's very nice. I can now keep that. But let's go on to the chart. Well, actually, you've just seen the reason for our bias. Made low week Thursday, Friday we should expect a close into the range. Why are we expecting low prices since, well, Monday's close? We got Monday CSD, Tuesday was bearish, Thursday was bearish, Thursday was low week, and Friday closed into the range. So that's why we was bearish. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, go back and have a look at the chart. If we go to we don't really need to show anything other than lower time frame, because we didn't tap into anything. Let's just show 15-minute now. Put our sessions on. Now, if you look, this was yesterday. If you look, coming into 9:30, New York had made, New York had taken out London low. It's not low of day, but we took out London low. But if we look at US 30, we did not. So we had an SMT like this here. So I was looking at, that's why I called the London retraction here. It's technically is a New York reversal, but kind of a London retraction. So yeah, we was then seeking a new high post 10 AM. We got that 10 AM. Let's show you my entry. Well, this is the first tap of the first presentation, which is this image right here. This is where I could have got in, but I've seen more results, macro times to target 10, because we could easily chop, then close back above during macro and then deliver. So yeah, but we did get this picture of first presented, and as you can see, first presented then took us all the way up here. So the first tap of that gave us 120 points, so that was cute. This was where my entry was, so we waited for 9:50. Well, actually, no. Is that correct? Okay, yeah, so what I did was, we came down. Ultimately I didn't have this on until we closed back above. I didn't have any limits on. I was waiting for macro to see what we did. Macro, we manipulated down here, tapped. Well, first and foremost, I was seeking potentially we leave a breakaway with this gap. We didn't leave it as a breakaway, but we did come and tap this one. And then what I did was, after we closed back above with this candle, we didn't respect 50%. We then closed back above. I put my limits back on it for it to come back down and take it up. but we did not get filled, and then we made a new high post 10 a.m. So I closed my limit. If we go to the journal, should be on there. MEQH 23.5, Friday the 1st Jan. Entry, as you can see, 9:53, and that's because we put it here. Long, bullish due to previous week low being met, and Friday, so expecting counter bias. Outcome, missed entry. I was risking 0.5% to gain back the 1% loss we took yesterday, and I lost 0. Closed limit when we made a new high post 10 a.m. For me, the job was done and no longer needed my limits on. Bias had played out, and that's all I needed from the market today. And then you've got the screenshot. So yeah, if we then just continue, we did have news at 10 as well. Had a big candle down here. We then did a retrace lower. So technically NAS would have been a New York reversal. That would be the protected low. But taking the trade for post 10 a.m. 9:30 would have been your stop loss. Did the job, and then that was it. We did run this out. Can do whatever, the job's been done. As long as we now don't take here, we've done what we need to do. But then if we seek, I don't think 1050 macro did much. It might have, I think. Okay, so I think here we can actually get rid of all these now. So now what we'd be seeking is 1050 macro to deliver us to this high of day. We don't get it on NAS, but what we do get is it on AS during the macro. So as you can see, current high day, put back in 11:03. We was actually screen recording this. We was watching NAS the whole time, but yes, it actually gave us the SMT. Might be this one. Yeah, 40-minute record. Okay, so yeah, we was playing this out, expecting this high to be ran. Obviously we don't get that on NAS, but this is where I check ES, and we did actually take that. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, proof that I was expecting the high to be ran with the macro times, which we got, which is perfect. And yeah, this is the realization that, okay, bet we don't need to do that now, as ES has already done that, which was nice. So there we go, and then it's just put it in the chat there. So yeah, there we go. There's more proof. Not like you guys need proof, because I know you'd believe me, but regardless. And then the next key time to run out the new high of day would be 11:50 to 12. So here, the high of day before 12 should be run out. And as you can see, 12:07 made high of day, closed inside. So technically we had it was technically a New York reversal on this. If we mark from midnight to there we go. If we literally just put in, well, New York low of day, X here, taking it out. London low. Soup. And then Now it's kind of ugly to mark because we literally made it at 12, but we could put a signpost on there. There we go, hire day at 12. So we can then put our little curve on there. Bang. Let's make it a bit nicer. So there you go, New York reversal profile. Not gonna lie, I was debating not training today because I did feel a bit ill, but I'm reading a book called Discipline. I don't think I could take the day off. There we go. So New York reversal profile. Perfect. Jot that in there. And that is my work done for the day. So hopefully you enjoyed. See you guys in a bit and peace.